Hi guys, in this video, we will check out the best PC cases that you should buy in 2021. I listed them based on my research by checking quality, features, price, and reviews. If you like any PC case, you can buy right now by checking the links in the description. We have picked the 5 PC cases that will be best for you, so let's get started with the video. The 5th PC case in our list is the Phanteks Evolv Shift X. The best home theater PC case. When you first look at the Phanteks Evolv Shift X, it looks more like a soundbar than one of the best PC cases, but this helps it vanish into any living area or studio setup. It's flexible to the point that it looks natural placed under a TV as it does on a desk, next to one of the best gaming monitors. It may only be compatible with a Mini-ITX motherboard, but the Phanteks Evolv Shift X offers tons of space for components and liquid cooling loops. If this case is a little large for your preference, you can get the smaller Phanteks Evolv Shift for easier management. Phanteks Evolv Shift X has some following specifications. It has the small form factor, Mini-ITX MOBO compatibility, SFX, SFXL, ATX PSU support, USB 3.0, power button, RGB button, 2 fan, power supply cover, 1 pump bracket, 2 SSD bracket, and it also have the CPU extension cable. The good stuff about Phanteks Evolv Shift X is that it is plenty of room for beefy components and one-of-a-kind aesthetic. The only bad stuff is that it is massive for Mini-ITX. The 4th PC case in our list is the NZXT H200i. The best Mini-ITX case. Every single day Mini-ITX gets more popular, and closer to toppling Micro ATX. And, it makes sense, why not spring for a small computer that can get just as much work done as a full tower? NZXT's new H-series case line manages to integrate a ton of the same features as its Micro ATX and mid-tower equivalents, with mesmerizing, built-in and smart device-controlled RGB lighting and an adaptive noise sensor that sees improvement only by way of the Grid Plus V3 fan controller. NZXT H200i has some following specifications. It has the small form factor, Mini-ITX MOBO compatibility, ATX PSU support, RGB LED port support, LED strips, and Air RGB fans. The good stuff about NZXT H200i is that it has the built-in smart device RGB control and adaptive noise reduction. The only bad stuff is that it is slightly pricey. The 3rd PC case in our list is the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4. The best Micro ATX PC case. As its name suggests, the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 has the sole purpose of being quiet as a mouse. This silence-focused case is a well-balanced Micro ATX chassis that's affordably priced, without sacrificing room for expansion. That's right, you can fit even the biggest, most powerful graphics cards in the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4. The fact that you will never hear it go above 30 decibels is just icing on the very taciturn cake. Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 has some following specifications. It has small form factor, ATX PSU support, power button, reset button, 2-channel fan control and modular HDD cages for up to 5 hard drives. The good stuff of Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 is that it has low noise and onboard dual-zone fan controls. The only bad stuff is that it has not many extras. The 2nd PC case in our list is the Fractal Design Meshify-C. The best mid-tower PC case. It is extremely rare to see any PC case that even vaguely resembles the Fractal Design Meshify-C. Given that the front of the case is entirely made of a mesh material sectioned off into an array of polygonal shapes, the Meshify-C has a unique style, without compromising on function. With 2 fans pre-installed, cooling is, forgive us, a breeze, even if the Meshify-C is held back by a number of obstacles. Fractal Design Meshify-C has some following specifications. It has the mid-tower form factor, ATX PSU support, power button, reset button, and it has the dynamic X2 GP12. The good stuff about Fractal Design Meshify-C is that it has freshly designed in multiple ways and it is available in reasonable price. The only bad stuff is that its USB 3.0 cable is too short front and PSU dust filter is hard to remove. The 1st PC case in our list is the Corsair iCue 5000X. The best PC case. Because the world of the best gaming PCs would be nothing if it weren't for decadent PC cases, Corsair has followed up its excellent iCue 4000X from late 2020 with the amazing iCue 5000X. Just like its predecessor, the Corsair iCue 5000X is filled to the nines with RGB lighting and tempered glass. It's got 4 tempered glass panels, so you can show off your PC build in all its glory, and it's one of the most modular cases we've seen from a mainstream manufacturer, so it's incredibly easy to build in. Corsair iCue 5000X has some following specifications. It has the mid-tower form factor, ATX, Mini-ITX, Micro ATX, MOBO compatibility, bottom mount PSU support, power button and reset button. The good stuff of Corsair iCue 5000X analog is that it is elegant, tempered front and side panels and excellent cable management. The bad stuff is that it has run slightly hotter than similar sized cases. For more details and the latest price of the PC cases, check the links provided in the description. That's all. I hope that this video will help you to make a better decision about choosing the PC cases. If this video has helped you, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.